So when I came here, what came into my mind is homeliness, affordability, and space. So these houses that I'm about to show you guys, they are only going for 10.9 million. This one's the first two going to the gate, 10.9 million, and then this one that is on the corner here is going for 11.9 million Kenya shillings. So this is Mogodha area, which is less than 5 minutes drive from Thika Road, and these are 3 bedrooms or ensuite with detached SQs just behind there and a very huge space and a parking. Like, these houses are everything. I like the price, and you can even feel how quiet this place is. So this is Mogodha, and these houses are going for sale. So guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Damaris, and if you are a person who loves this kind of content, house tours, houses for sale, land for sale, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you do not miss this kind of content. So guys, are you ready so that we can go in so that we see the first house? So I'm going to show you my favorite house, which is this corner house, which is going for 11.9 million Kenya shillings. So if you want to convert that into US dollars so that you can understand how much this is in US dollars, you divide by 130. 11.9 million divided by 130. So starting from the outside, you can already see like there's a garden somewhere here. So this is the garden. This is the gate to the garden. I'm going to show you the garden later on. Let's start from the interiors, guys. All bedrooms are en suite. You can imagine, like, all bedrooms have their own toilet. You don't have to, share the toilet with your guests and stuff like that. So welcome to the living space. So this is the living room. Very, very spacious. Look at the windows. I love how big these windows are. And then you have a view to the garden, imagine. So these windows are so big. It is a very spacious living room. You can do your sitting room and a dining space somewhere near the kitchen there. So we have beautiful chandeliers. I love these windows because once you do your grass, so there was some pemba grass which was done here, but it's still growing. So when this grass will grow, you can imagine how amazing the view to the outside is going to look like. So this is the living room. So from the living room, we come to the kitchen. It's a very, very spacious kitchen, and it's an open kitchen. So let's check how this kitchen is looking. So we have a space. We have a division or a compartment on this side here where you can do your fridge area on this side here. And then this is the kitchen with all this working top. You can imagine you have all this working top, and then you have, you have the sink area. It's a double sink here. Very, very spacious. And I love how lit these houses are. So as I said, these houses are 5 minutes drive from Thika Road. So let's check the storage space under here. You can see how spacious the storage space is for the kitchen. And it has a water filter, under the sink. I'm sorry, guys. So on this side here, we have, the cabinets, more storage space. This is probably where can you do your cooker? You can probably do your cooker somewhere here. I don't know, somewhere here, or on this side. You can have your cooker on this side, whichever you can decide to do your cooker. So we have more cabinets here, and then we have a door right here to the backyard. So there's a door here to the backyard. So let's check the other rooms of the house. So from the kitchen, there's a corridor here leading to the other rooms of the house. So let's check the first bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. Welcome to the first bedroom of the house. Well lit. You can imagine there are no lights. No, the lights are not on. So it's very lit, very warm, very, very warm. So let's check the storage space. So this is the storage space, looking very, very spacious. The cabinets and more storage space under here. So this is just the first bedroom of the house with a toilet just behind here. So welcome to the bedroom for the first bedroom. So it has a toilet, shower area on that side, towel holder here, and the soap holder, more towel holder here, and there's another space here. So you can show them that space and how lit the house is. You can show them the shower. So many or so sufficient accessories for storage. So if you want to have your tissue, you can put it here. You can have your towel here and so much more in the sink area on that side. So this is just the first bedroom of the house. Very spacious. Let's go or let's check the second bedroom. So welcome to the second bedroom of the house, also very spacious. So this is the second bedroom of the house, also very spacious. So you can show them how lit the second bedroom is. Let's also check the cabinets. Similar with the other bedroom. So this is the second bedroom. So let's check if it has a toilet. Because I told you all bedrooms are ensuite. So this is the toilet area. And what I like about this toilet is you can stand there and then you show them this door on that side. So this is the door leading to the toilet of the second bedroom, and this toilet can also be accessed like from the this toilet can also be accessed like from the other side. So it's also an open toilet, can be accessed from the living room. So this is the toilet for the second bedroom. You can show them that side. So probably you can stand there and then we show them this entry. So you can either access this from here or from the bedroom side. So if, the person using this bedroom is not here, they can lock the bedroom and then this one can be accessed by the guests. So this is very thoughtful. So let's check the master bedroom. So welcome to the master bedroom. So this is the space. Once you come in, there's a walk-in closet here. I love how lit these houses are, and this is very generous of the landlord. So very sufficient storage space. And then let's check the bed area. Very, very spacious. And also very lit and accessible to the garden, or from here you can just watch the garden from here. So I'm going to show you how huge the garden is from here, or for this house is. You can actually add another house or a gazebo at the garden side. So this is the last house of this house, and it's the master bedroom. So but we haven't seen the bathroom for this house. So this is the door that we came in through. And this is the toilet. So you can come and show them how big the toilet is. So it's very, very special. Show them the sink, the toilet, and the shower. And there's water actually. You can show them the sink here. So there's water, and of course, more storage space here for the tissue and, and everything like that. So guys, you get this house for only 11.9 million Kenya shillings. So I have shown you guys house tours of of houses going for as expensive as 20 something million, 24 million. I have shown you houses going for apartments going for 8 million, 12 million, 15 million. And this is a standalone house, This is a standalone house going for 11.9 million shillings. So it's time to show you the garden. Are you guys ready to see the garden of this house? So we can access the garden from everywhere, not everywhere, it has many accesses. There's the access from where we started the video, and then there's another access from the interior of the house. You can either access it from here or from here where we started the video. So guys, welcome to the garden. And this is the catch. So hold on, guys. So this is just a bit of the garden. I want to show you how huge this garden is. So imagine having all this backyard for yourself. You can literally do another house here. You can do a DSQ on that side, a gazebo for yourself, and so much more. So imagine doing a very beautiful lawn here. And then, this is where you can chill. You can do some trees, some shades here where you can chill with your friends. And this is actually the catch of this house for 11.9 million Kenya shillings. Let me do that for you in US dollars in case you want to migrate to Kenya and you're wondering if you can afford this house. So 11.9 million. This is how much is it in US dollars by 130? This is 91,538 US dollars. Imagine for that amount of money, you get yourself a house. I haven't shown you the detached DSQ. So we are not yet done yet. We are not yet done, guys. So let's check the DSQ. Detached. So we have the laundry space here where your house girl can do laundry, and she or he has her own house. So welcome to the DSQ. So this is how the DSQ is looking, very spacious as well, and there is an allowance here for a sink, and it has its own toilet. Imagine. So there's a toilet area here and a shower. So let me allow my cameraman to show you the toilet area. So there's a sink, toilet, and a hot shower, and also a mirror. So it's a fully contained DSQ, and she can do like the bed also somewhere here. So let me know, guys, in the comment section if this is a deal, because for me, I feel like this is a deal already. And the amount of money that this house is going for is, it's worth it. So I said this house is only 5 minutes drive from Thika Road. It's in Mogodha area. And the amount of money, 11.9 million shillings for the corner house, which is this one that we have shown you. And we have 2 more units that are towards the gate. So we only have like 3 houses. So you only have like 2 neighbors if you come here. So let me just show you the other 2 houses which are still in construction, going for 10.9 million shillings. So if you are not lucky enough to get this corner house, you can get yourself the first 2 units going for 10.9 million Kenya shillings. So yes, guys, you can let me know in the comment section what you think about this house, because for me, I feel like the price is worth it. And considering you have a very big compound for yourself, that is the selling point. So let me know in the comment section what you think. And I'm going to encourage you guys, if you're watching my content and you like any property that, I showcase here, and you want to buy and you buy through me, I get a small commission. I get a small discount for doing the work for you. So if you like Northlands, if you like Aucklands, you like Tattoo City, Kijani Ridge, please make sure you contact me. And if you buy through me, let me know so that I can also claim my small commission, because that is why I am here. So let's check the first 2 units of this plot. These are your neighbors. If you choose that house, this will be your neighbors. If you're not lucky enough to get that corner house, these 2 units are going for 10.9 million Kenya shillings. They are still in construction, so we have some construction workers still doing something inside. So I might not show you the interiors, so but you can see from the outside, you can see it's the same design. We have the lawn area here outside, and also this other side. So we have the lawn area outside and the parking, and then of course the interior is actually the same with a detached DSQ just behind there. So this is how it's looking. Let's check outside the gate, and then we show them the, the environment of this house, how it's looking. So these 2 units are going for 10.9 million Kenya shillings. Just a slight difference from the corner house. If I were you, I would come so far so that I'd get the corner house. So let's show them the outside, the environment, how serene the environment is. The birds are chirping on that side. So yes, guys, this is Mongodha area, and this is your neighborhood. You just come and, chill here. So if you watch the next video, probably you want to know the distance from here to the gate. You can watch the next video so that you can see how close it is to Thika Road. So thank you guys for watching to this end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if this is the kind of content that you like to see from Damaris properties, or you are looking for property to buy and you want someone here on the ground here in Kenya to do the work for you. You can always reach me. I just need a small, fuel to go around and, show you this beautiful property. So thank you guys for watching to this end. Make sure you subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye and ciao.